In order to safely perform minor servicing to the robotic palletizing cell, follow these steps. First, stop the robot by pressing the red stop button. Notice, the motor power light on the guardian is now blinking yellow. Next, turn the motor power switch to the left to turn off motor power. Notice, the motor power light has turned off. Now twist and remove the trap key from the control cabinet. You will also need to turn off the main disconnect to the control panel, as well as the main air dump. Before moving forward, ensure that the 3 motor power lights located on the control panel, guardian, and robot arm are all off. Insert the trap key into the cell door, allowing you to remove the personnel key, which you will lock out. Take the lockout key and put it in your pocket. You can now open the cell door and perform the necessary servicing. Note, anytime you are in the cell, you must have the lockout key in your possession to ensure the system cannot be started until you have exited the cell. Firmly close the door and unlock the personnel key. Reinsert the personnel key into the cell door and remove the trap key. Reconnect the air and switch the main disconnect to on. Finally, reinsert the trap key into the control cabinet. Turn the system on and it's ready to continue palletizing.